Third mic, is it on? If there's no one on the mic, we allow the fourth mic, the ladies. We can have the question from the ladies section. Yeah. First mic.
Assalamu alaikum, bhai aur behnon ko. मैं संगीता शाह टीचर हूँ. मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि एक नॉन मुस्लिम मर्द अल्लाह की इबादत कर सकता है, मगर एक शादीशुदा नॉन मुस्लिम औरत अल्लाह की इबादत करने में उसे तकलीफ आ सकती है, तो उसको कैसे हल किया जाए और मुस्लिम समाज ने इसके लिए क्या किया है? शुक्रिया.
This was asked the question that for an adult Muslim man, it's easy to do ibadah, easy to pray, but for a Muslim adult woman who's married, it's difficult to do ibadah, there can be difficulties. So what is the reason? As far as salah is concerned, the duty of salah is and the ibadah is the same for the man and woman. And I discussed this 1 week back when I gave the talk on women's rights in Islam, protected or subjugated. And Quran clearly states in Surah Ahzab, chapter number 33, verse number 35, Innal Muslimina wal Muslimati, for Muslim men and women, wal Mu'minina wal Mu'minati, for believing men and women, wal Qanitina wal Qanitati, for devout men and women, wal Sadiqina wal Sadiqati, for true men and women, wal Khashi'ina wal Khashiati, for men and women who humble themselves, وَالصَّابِرِينَ وَالصَّابِرَاتِ, for men and women who are patient and constant, وَالْخَاشِئِينَ وَالْخَاشِيَاتِ, for men and women who humble themselves. So here we realize that this verse of the Quran, it is talking about for Muslim men, for believing women, for women who are devout, for women who are true, for women who are sabr, for men and women who pray. So it is the same. The duty, the spiritual duty of men and women in Islam is the same. But I do know there are occasions when the woman is undergoing a cycle, when she's undergoing a menstrual cycle, there is relaxation given to her. That because of the various psychological changes that takes place, the various hormonal changes that takes place, because of the menstrual cycle, there is a concession given to women that during this time she should not pray. She is giving rest. So during these few days, during a cycle, there is relaxation that she should not pray. Same with the fast. She should not fast, but the fast can be compensated because in Ramadan you fast only for 1 month. But since you have to offer salah 5 times a day, every day of your life, it need not be covered up. So this is a concession given so that it is much more beneficial and she's comfortable. Hope that answers the question, sister.
We'll have the second question from the same mic until the other mic is getting set. We have asked for an additional mic there. Until it gets set, we can have the second question from this mic. Later on, we'll allow them 2 questions. Yes, sister.